Hey viewers, welcome to Solve It and I am Ratna Kumar. Today we are going to solve arithmetic mean of grouped or classified data in business statistics. Here is the formula, just note it down and I will explain it when solving the problem. Now go to the problem. Yes, this is a formula. A company is planning to improve plant safety. For this, accident data for the last 50 weeks was compiled. In a company, they are going to plan to improve their safety. So what they are needing, that they are going to collect the accident that have happened for the last 50 weeks. So why the accidents are happening and how many accidents are happening in a week, they are going to find this. So in a group data, like instead of in the last two problems we saw that the individual data they given, then frequency they given. Here it is a group data. What is mean by that now? The number of accidents that happened from 0 to 4, that means 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 weeks at least the number of accidents from 0 to 4. That means maybe 2 accident it will have maybe 2 accident, or else 3 accident happen, or else 4 accident happen, but it happened for only 5 weeks. Nearly 22 weeks the number of accidents happened between 5 to 9, that means 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is the group data. So instead of giving the individual data, they are grouping the data and then they are giving the frequency over here. Now we are going to find the arithmetic mean for this. Obviously we know the formula x bar, which is equal to 1 by n summation of f into m fi mi, whereas I from 1 to 5. So 1 data, 2 data, 3 and 4 and then 5. That's why 1 to 5. Okay, fine. Now what is mean by n? We are going to find this. First of all, we have to make this in a column. So number of accident, okay, 0 to 4, 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24. After that, number of weeks, 5, 22, 13, 8 and 2. Now come to the m value. M value is mid value. Mid value of what? Mid value of the group data. So we have to write down the mid value of the group data. Now we have to write the mid value of the group data in mid value. So mid value of 0 to 4 is 2, 7, 12, 17, 22. And from the formula we can easily find it out. We have to find f into m. The number of weeks is f and the mid value is the m. So f into m, that means 5 into 2, 10, 22 into 7, which means 154, 13 into 12, which means 156, 8 into 17, that means 136, and 2 into 22, that means 44. We have to add up all those things. 0, 2, that means 0, and here's 5. Now add up all the values in the frequency. This is the summation of f into m, and frequency is the summation of f, which means n, which means we have to add up all those things. 5, 22, so approximately it's a 50. We have to substitute the value in the formula. So x bar, which is equal to 1 by 50 into 500, that means 10. So x bar is 10. Okay, number of accidents in a week is, that is the things we need to find it here. So number of accidents per week. Okay, that means 10 accident per week. Okay, it's really simple. When you have your group data, we have to find the mid value. After that, we need to multiply with the frequency. Once you have multiplied, we have to sum up all the fm and then f, and then substitute in the formula. We'll get the answers. Now I'm going to give another problem for you. You have to do it on your own and then put the answer in the comment box. And this is bye from Ratnakumar. Thank you.